Hello children, very good morning. Welcome to English class. How are you all? All of it are fine? Okay. So children, in the yesterday's class, what we learn and what we wrote in the four-line notebook? Capital letter T to Z, we wrote it. Is it? Yes. So children, so A to Z I taught you. Like a half of letters, capital letters I taught you. Is it? 3 classes. So in the today's class we'll write A to Z. Okay, full A to Z, we'll read it and we'll learn it and we'll write it. Okay? Yes. So everyone take out your 4-line notebook, take out a pencil and eraser. Take new page, open and write CW. CW. See children. So in the previous class we wrote the A to J, K to K to S, T to Z. So A to Z. So all the letters we wrote it. Is it? So children, why I am giving this repeat. You have to perfect this writing, reading, learning. So everything you have to be perfect. Okay, writing and reading and learning. So everything, all these three, you have to be perfect. Understood? So that's why I am giving the writing mode. Okay. So we'll write it. So everyone write C A P I T A L, capital LETTERS, letters, and put underline. Capital letters A to Z. Okay. So A to Z will write the capital letters. So now here write. So you know to writing, no? You have to touch the lines, 3 lines, and you have to write it capital letter A. So here 2 slanting line, 1 sleeping line. A. 1 standing line, 2 half curve. B. Left side half curve. C. Standing line, right side half curve. D. Standing line, 3 sleeping lines. E. Standing line, 2 sleeping line. F. Left side half curve and small standing line and small sleeping line. G. 2 standing line and middle sleeping line. H. Standing line, 2 sleeping line. I. Next. Standing line, half curve, sleeping line. J. Next. Standing line, 2 slanting line. K. Standing line, sleeping line. L. Standing line, 2 slanting line, standing line. M. Standing line, slanting line, standing line. N. Curve pattern. O. Standing line, half curve. P. Curve pattern, slanting line. Q. Standing line, half curve, slanting line. R. Half curve, half curve. S. sleeping line, standing line. T, half curve. U, two slanting line. V, standing line, slanting line, slanting line, standing line. W, two slanting line. X, slanting line, big slanting line. Y, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Z, okay, so like this you have to write it. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so like this you have to read it and learn it and write it. Understood? Yes. So once again I will show you. A to Z. See here. See the line, children. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so like this you have to touch the lines, 3 lines, and you have to write the capital letters. Okay, A to Z. Understood, children? Yes. So neatly, how I am wrote no? So like that neatly you have to write it in your 4-line notebook. Understood? Yes. So homework, you have to write A to Z 2 times. Understood, children? Yes. A to Z. So here also same. 2 times children. A to Z, capital letters you have to write. Homework. Okay. 2 page you have to write it with a reading and be perfect A to Z. Okay. Writing also perfect you knows. You have to be practice it and reading also. Understood? So everyone do the homework and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a good day.